The plane landing. Jetstar. Hello.
Afternoon.
Afternoon, yeah.
How are you doing?
Oh, very good, very good.
How's your day been so far?
Okay, yeah.
And what brings you up here this morning?
I'm just doing some plane spotting. I see your security guys come and visit me every Sunday.
Oh, you come up every Sunday, do you?
Yeah, or most of them. Yeah.
And
So,
how long you been here today, sir?
probably half an hour.
Half an hour.
Yeah.
So you got in just before the rain came?
Oh,
Rain
hopefully
this morning?
it's not going to rain anymore.
Oh, how long are you going to be up here for?
Oh, probably maybe an hour or so.
Hours. Oh, that's
Yeah,
fine.
yeah.
That's okay.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. What are we spotting in particular? I don't know
Oh,
much
just
about
just
planes.
general planes, just whatever planes come along.
Oh, yeah. Do you
Yeah.
have a preference?
Oh yeah, the Emirates A380, the big one.
The big double decker one.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
How often does that one come in?
Comes in every once a day.
Once a day.
Yeah, yeah.
And you catch it good up on here?
Yeah. I missed it today because I was at church.
Oh,
Yeah, but usually when it, I come on Saturdays as well, and I can catch it on a Saturday, but missed it today, so never mind. Just catch whatever else is around.
fair enough.
Yeah.
What's your video for? Do you share it with anybody or?
Oh yeah, I put it on YouTube.
Nice.
Yeah.
What's your channel called?
Viking 1 Aviation. So you go and have a look.
I will
Go and have a look. Yeah.
Lovely. Well, thank you for your time. Make sure you get a jacket. It might rain again.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Alright, we'll catch you
All
later.
right. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
All right. There you go, airport security having a chat to me. Another plane coming in. Fiji Air from Nandi. Very nice.